Alright, so we have y equals 4 to the x power. Again, we want to graph that, so we're going to start by making a table. I use the x values -1, 0, 1, and 2. You're more than welcome to use whichever x values you like. When we plug -1 in for x, 4 to the -1 power is 1/4, or 0.25. When I plug in 0, 4 to the 0 power is 1. When I plug in 1, 4 to the first power is 4. When I plug in 2, 4 to the second power is 16. So I look at my graph, and right away I know that my graph only goes up to 10. Well, that 16 is a problem for me. The 16 down here becomes a problem for me because, well, I only go up to 10, and how am I going to graph 16? So the simplest way is to make each vertical line 2. So all these vertical lines, we're now going to count by 2. So this top one's 20, and you can write on here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Now I can go ahead and graph my points here. At -1, we still have 0.25, so it's going to be a dot really, really close to the x-axis. At 0, we're going to have it at 1. So that's going to be this halfway point here, because remember, each line's now 2. At x equals 1, so we go right 1. We're now at 4. So that's right here, because now we're counting by 2's, remember. So be careful when you're graphing, because you can tend to get confused on that. And then 2 is 16, so I go over 2 and up 16, and we're right there. Okay, so now that we went ahead and did that, all we have to do is connect our dots, and your graph should look something like that.